Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the top 9 best hose timers, perfect for keeping your garden lush without wasting time or water. Whether you're a plant lover or just want hassle-free watering, these timers are total game changers. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in and find your perfect hose timer. Digital Garden Hose Timer. The Digital Garden Hose Timer is perfect for gardeners who want simplicity and precision. With its easy-to-read LCD screen, you can schedule watering times with just a few button presses, ensuring your plants get exactly what they need. It allows multiple watering sessions per day, giving your garden a consistent, healthy routine. Its durable design is weather-resistant, so you won't have to worry about rain or sun damage. Installation is straightforward. Simply attach it to your hose and set your schedule. Whether you have a small backyard or a larger garden, this timer adapts to your needs. If you're looking for convenience and reliability, the Digital Garden Hose Timer makes watering effortless while saving water and time. Digital Hose Sprinkler Timer. The Digital Hose Sprinkler Timer offers flexible watering schedules for any garden size. With programmable options, you can set start times, duration, and frequency, so your lawn stays green without constant attention. Its large display makes adjusting settings quick and easy, even in bright sunlight. Built from high-quality materials, it can withstand harsh weather while maintaining accuracy. This timer supports various watering zones, making it ideal for multiple sprinklers or garden areas. The simple click-and-set system is beginner-friendly, yet advanced enough for experienced gardeners. With the Digital Hose Sprinkler Timer, you can say goodbye to overwatering or forgetting to water. It's a smart addition for anyone who wants a lush garden with minimal effort. Melnor Digital Hose Timer. The Melnor Digital Hose Timer is a top choice for automated garden watering. Its intuitive interface allows you to set multiple daily watering cycles, perfect for plants with different needs. This timer includes a large, easy-to-read LCD screen and one-touch manual operation, so adjustments are hassle-free. Built from weather-resistant materials, it performs reliably in all conditions. Its compatibility with standard hoses and sprinklers makes it versatile for any garden setup. You can program it to water early mornings or late evenings, optimizing plant hydration while conserving water. With precise timing and consistent performance, the Melnor Digital Hose Timer ensures your garden thrives without the stress of daily maintenance. It's practical, reliable, and incredibly user-friendly. 2-Zone Brass Hose Timer. The 2-Zone Brass Hose Timer is perfect for gardeners with multiple watering zones. Made from solid brass, it's built to last and resist leaks, rust, or weather damage. This timer allows you to water 2 separate areas independently, ensuring each zone receives the right amount of water. With simple programming, you can set the start times, duration, and frequency for both zones. Its robust design ensures reliable operations season after season. Installation is quick. Simply attach it to your faucet and connect your hoses and start watering. Whether you have flower beds, vegetable gardens, or lawn sections, the 2-Zone Brass Hose Timer offers precision and durability. It's an excellent solution for efficient automated garden care. Digital Brass Hose Timer. The Digital Brass Hose Timer combines durability with smart watering technology. Its brass body guarantees long-term reliability, resisting corrosion and wear. The digital interface allows precise scheduling with multiple start times and customizable durations to suit any plant or lawn requirement. Its LCD screen makes programming intuitive, and the timer can handle frequent use without malfunctioning. This timer is perfect for homeowners who want automated watering with minimal fuss. Installation is straightforward, connecting directly to standard outdoor faucets. The Digital Brass Hose Timer ensures your garden receives consistent hydration, helping plants thrive while conserving water. With its blend of toughness and technology, it's a solid investment for hassle-free gardening. Programmable Brass Hose Timer. The Programmable Brass Hose Timer is built for gardeners who want full control over watering schedules. Its sturdy brass construction prevents leaks and withstands the elements, making it perfect for long-term use. With customizable programs, you can schedule multiple watering sessions per day for different garden zones. Its digital interface is simple to navigate, while manual overrides give flexibility when needed. Quick installation ensures it fits any standard hose or faucet setup. This timer saves time and reduces water waste by delivering precise irrigation exactly when your plants need it. For anyone serious about a healthy, thriving garden without daily hassle, the Programmable Brass Hose Timer is a reliable and efficient choice. 3-Program Brass Hose Timer. The 3-Program Brass Hose Timer allows maximum flexibility for watering multiple areas. Its robust brass construction provides durability, resisting corrosion and heavy use. You can schedule 3 separate programs, each with different start times and durations, perfect for lawns, flower beds, or vegetable gardens. The digital interface is user-friendly, making adjustments simple even for beginners. With manual override options, you can water on demand if needed. Quick installation makes it ready to use in minutes. By automating your watering routine, this timer saves time and reduces water waste while maintaining a healthy green garden. The 3-Program Brass Hose Timer is ideal for anyone who values precision, convenience, and long-lasting performance in garden care. Melnor 4-Zone Hose Timer. The Melnor 4-Zone Hose Timer is perfect for larger gardens with multiple watering areas. It allows independent independent scheduling for 4 zones, ensuring each section receives exactly the right amount of water. Its weather-resistant design and durable materials make it reliable in all conditions. With an intuitive LCD screen, programming is fast and simple, while manual overrides give extra flexibility. The timer works with standard hoses and sprinklers, making setup easy. By automating your watering schedule, it saves time, prevents overwatering, and promotes healthy plant growth. The Melnor 4-zone hose timer is a practical, efficient, and high-performing tool for gardeners who want total control over their irrigation system. 2-outlet brass hose timer. The 2-outlet brass hose timer is designed for versatility and durability. With solid brass construction, it resists leaks and rust, ensuring long-term use. 2 separate outlets allow independent watering schedules for different garden areas, making it ideal for lawns, flower beds, or vegetable patches. Its digital programming interface is simple to use, offering multiple start times and customizable durations. Manual override options give flexibility when you need extra watering. By automating your garden irrigation, this timer saves water, reduces effort, and keeps plants consistently healthy. The 2-outlet brass hose timer is reliable, precise, and perfect for hassle-free garden maintenance. That wraps up our top 9 best hose timers. Each of these timers offers something unique, from durable brass builds to flexible digital programming, making garden care easier than ever. Whether you have a small backyard or multiple zones to manage, there's a perfect option for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description for pricing and more details on each product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Top Product Reviews and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!